Hey guys. Yeah, she woke me up.
I woke him up because I have a job interview.
Oh, at daycare.
At a daycare. And we're half an hour early. So we're going to stay here until about 9:45, and then I'm going to go in and he's going to sit here.
Or leave.
Or leave. I don't know why I don't I don't know.
So that's what we're doing. She got her coffee, iced coffee. Good old iced coffee.
Yeah.
And then I got bagel. GLT bagel that.
I made him drive me.
No, you didn't make me.
I'm joking.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, that's what
So,
we're doing.
that's what we're doing.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
We just got home, you guys. What are we watching?
Mrs. Doubtfire.
Is ya?
Yeah.
You pause it? You actually pause it?
I'm actually positive.
It's Mrs.
It's Mrs. Doubtfire.
Mr.
No.
Yeah.
It's Mrs.
Sure? Why does it have a
It's just
A nice
call
goatee.
Mrs.
nice good tea? Awesome good tea. So that's what we're doing. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are heading to the medical clinic to get my allergy shot again done. So yeah, these guys right here. So yeah, that's what's going on. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. Oh, we played some one game of Sausage Party.
Sausage Party? No, we
Sushi.
played
Sushi Party, I meant to
Sausage Party is bad.
Why did I think of Sausage Party? I do not know. And then we also had pizza. Which you guys can
guys,
see.
I got a job, so like,
Good for
me.
Yeah, so we're just heading out to a BBS meeting. So talk to you guys when you get there. Hey guys, so right now you guys, I am doing my nose because it's so plugged. So if you guys remember my Nasox that we used, so yeah, it's gonna be fun and exciting. It's gonna be gross, but it's gonna be good. So we are going to change video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode and
Subscribe, comment, and like this video.
And
share it with a friend.
who's a friend?
Yeah, like, I mean, you probably have friends.
I don't know, do you?
I don't know. I have friends. I like you. That's about it. That's all my friends.
But I'm not really considered a friend. I'm your boyfriend, so that's different.
Yeah. Anyway, you could like share with any of your family members, not just friends, but like your teachers. Well, make sure it's outside of class time. Don't get suspended because of Rachel.
Have you guys friended because you shared a video with the teacher?
I'm chill because I invited somebody to meet me one time during class hours.
That sounds fun. So, yeah, it's going to be a fun day tomorrow.
It's a terrible angle.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No.
It's bad. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.